welcome to the Mix Lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is still on the Erica issue. As you know, it's an ongoing saga. And he says, I'm still going to be on your neck, meaning that he will still be going at this. He will still try to, to talk about it. Basically, it's not going to be over until it's over. So, Dwayne is stating his own opinion about the situation with Erica. He's saying that people had to work their hard earned money to assist with these people. And if it's true, basically, that this was some sort of scamming going on, then it would have been really hard to know that these people spent their money and they had to work so hard for it. He said, in snow, that's winter, summer, when it's really hot and sunny, in rain, all those different times or periods of times. Basically, saying that it's really, really bad if that's what happens. So, guys, go ahead and listen to his opinion, and you could state your opinion as well in the comment section. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. For all you new people, subscribe up. It's the way to go. And I have videos coming out every single day and a couple times a day. And please turn that notification bell on so when I post, you know. And have yourselves a wonderful day now, lovelies.
Media scammer. It's no better way to put it. The way none of them, when they cooking, tell social media how much money they receive. They only come out, girl, and this is the problem. This is a problem. We the consumers have allowed this bullshit to go on for far too long. It is full time we put our foot down and take back control, right? Want to take back on the damn power and stop allowing these people to manipulate you. This is manipulation at the highest order. Manipulation. Yes, we know someone on another school and on a little bit backward, but wake up, stop allowing these hard back people who wasted their lives on this earth to come out here and now can manipulate you to take your hard earned money when you work tirelessly. You work tirelessly. Someone will go to now snow in store. Someone rain, sun, fall, anything on our go make on the money. And then you have these people like Angela Merchant to come on social media and swindle your money out of your pocket using misfortune people. No, Erica Merchant, it stops today. You're trying to change the conversation. Girl, it won't change. We are tying up by your neck. When I come out for Angela Merchant, I'm not coming off your neck. I will not. Babe, I'm on the live. I'm gonna call you back. Just don't go to bed. Okay? Alright, bye. Bye. When I come out, Angela Merchant, we're not coming off your neck. So try hard. Try any tactics you want to try. Anything. Put on Sharon Hagee, this, that. When I come off your neck, we're not coming off. Don't you see? You lost support. The people, them used to run up and down for your page. Where are they now? Them afraid. I wonder why them afraid. Because them know see your teeth. They know. You're gonna get the views. You're gonna get the views because they want to know your chat more. But the comments, girl, you have to try. You have to try something else. You see, all the time when you was doing your nonsense, you see, if you was doing the right thing and taking your little portion, it would be bad, but not so bad. But I am very sure the people them don't nyam $8 million Jamaican dollar. Them don't eat $8 million of food. Something you don't cook. Sometimes you don't cook. People having on people every damn. I beg Sunday to Sunday. You beg Sunday to Sunday. Angela Merchant. You beg Sunday to Sunday. You are a scrounger. You are a scavenger. Angela, you are a damn scavenger. Donna will not come in. You know why she will not come in? Because she also endorsed Angela Merchant. And I don't care. Me I chat to my mouth. Donegal endorsed Angela Merchant too. So what else shall I talk? Would you talk? Put yourself in her shoes. Put yourself in her shoes. Would you talk? Would you talk? Would you? After all of this revelation coming out, and you had so much faith in this person, and this person come and slap you like this, would you talk? Donegal, I would advise you, sit this one out. Don't get involved. Not get involved. Turn over there, sir, and do your thing, and make we Angela match. Do you understand? I'm gonna tell you one more time. We've seen results with you. Them could call a scam until God come. We've seen results with you. And that is it. Turn in the alien and the thing and turn out tight. Make what anger pour to itself. Understand? Yeah. And let the authorities anger she themselves too. Because one of these days, I promise you the authorities are gonna go knock on her door. And like you better hope, Angela Merchant, you can account for every red cent. Make sure you can account for every red penny that you collected off these social media people in the name of helping you and your platform to feed these homeless people. Make sure you put on receipts too. You better make sure. Because darling, they're coming for that NCB bank account. That NCB bank account that you have with all the people, their money that we are putting up with John Gotti and Bud. If I'm like you better run away. You better run away. Because darling, the game is up. The game is up, Angela Merchant. You understand? It is. You think it's not? It is. You are a thief. You are a kleptomaniac. Angela Merchant, you are a pathological kleptomaniac. I see me now cussing me me talk now, man. You are a prolific kleptomaniac. That is you, Angela Merchant. You are a disgrace to Jamaica. You are a disgrace to humanity. You are a disgrace to the world. People like you should have never been born. I don't care. You are a demon, Erica. You're a demon. You hear me? Well, them can't take the whole store. Them can't take. Remember now, as long any asset that was, Angela. It's many ways you can skin a cat. It's many ways you can skin a goat. It's many ways you can skin one dog. It's many ways you can skin one drunker. If you don't know, many ways. So, and if them say I gotta hide the money, hide away. I bet you you'll probably be left with the clothes on your back, and that I bet you keep going. Keep trying to not address the issue at hand, where the people their money there. That's what we want to know. Where's the people their money? Like and share, guys. Like and share. More to hear something. You see, Gracie. Gracie. We are not friends. I don't think we will ever be friends again. But I am very happy. I am happy as fuck that you come talk the things and when people don't want to hear. I'm very happy. Understand? And Gracie, make this be the last time you allow anyone to change your mindset. You love Mixup? Stick to your blood clot Mixup. I'm a boxing a damn idiot. Yes, tell me I'm boosting you. Them gonna tell me I boost it. Oh well, I'm boosting because maybe you need to be boosted. Like you need to do yourself battery. Go in your back for boost you and get the boost where you need. Wake up and come back and do your damn thing. And don't let no man, woman, or child change your mindset. If you like Mixup, stick to that blouse and stick to it. Stick to what you love. And that is it. Just perfect your craft and do so honestly and the best you can. And I tell a lie upon the body and you'll be fine. That is all the advice I will give you, Charming Ghost. Don't tell no lie upon the body and be the best blogger you can be. Because you know if you tell no fly, come back and don't tell no lie upon nobody. And I hate that. Share the live. Want to hear something? Let me share my other page. They are chat out backside. Porty said when the money come, she never go for it. You're there. You're there. You hear them something, huh? Only hear them something, huh? Only hear them exit when the money came, she didn't go and get it. Well, damn well, I have more than 200 plus receipts with her name on all of them. 100,000, 80,000, what to Porty move. You are a disgrace, and I don't care. Anyone on a panya who's upholding her nonsense on is a fucking disgrace too. I'm a chat big bad about on is a disgrace to humanity too. And it's people like Uno why the world is what it is today. Toxic. I mean, I'll take it back. Yes, I like Mixup enough. I like Mixup, but I love Mixup to a degree. Yeah, Mixup to a degree. Oh, can someone tell the girls in the group I'm on live? That they probably don't know. Tell them in the group so they're on live to come over here, come share and like up the video. That's it. Thank you. What a mess. What a mess. Exclamation. Gozo going to use to get away. They're not gonna use it. Let us hope the Gozo will work against the authorities too. Let's hope that will work against the authorities too. The receipt says she did pick up the money. Porty up. Listen, Porty not. You see some of those people on her page, them dark and illiterate and foolish. So them can be fooled. But people like me and people like you, Chevy, and others who are, clued up and well versed, them cannot fool me. So that's what, hey, that's enough on the naga like me because on cannot fool me. Yes, sometimes, I look a bit biased. Sometimes I look a bit biased, yes. But not for the time saying, when I say move, I bust it up. I don't care. I know all of us are like this. All of us are a little bit biased sometimes. But when it comes to things like this, how on earth you gonna be biased? You can't. That would make you a damn hypocrite. And I'm not a hypocrite. I am not. I want to hear something. Let's start with this.
Story hot and me a jump on it, bloody. And I durning. Two teeth, man. Two teeth. When me hear how much people I cry and play the victim, I say this woman, what the woman do them. After she use the people them at all time and she cuss them and run them. You, scammer lad, I'm coming for you tomorrow, yeah? Don't make it a date and don't be late, scammer lad. Because me not dirt. Too wicked. You know, me not come out here, but the one I me have to push out my head. After the one I don't know when me coming back. But me have to take a piece of the one who don't like it.
Tough.
That's a fool business.
Tough.
I
Period.
have to take a piece of the one. The one
Talk,
girl. Take a piece of. But don't it tell me a long time, finally December.
I'm going to tell them to
look out for Itori in January. Me say, before January done, we not going to see. Me not give this woman a watch out God I can bring her down in a January month. You scammer lad, and she have a little style nationals. You see me? She loves to pray on people and find the rebel. You see, every time she put them expose her, what she do? She dive on the people them.
Marcia and Tina Chin.
Them over there so don't like. I mean, I set me a call name tonight, I'm a big and bold. Anytime she find out, say, somebody expose her, she dive on the people where the planker they not like. So automatically when she start cussing the planker they not like, the planker them are going to come And it's going to take your attention
off of her. I agree. I agree.
This time.
And now we're tied up in your neck.
What you want to tell me, say, Lord, what I talk about, and I don't care what you want to tell me, say. Because Lord, them talk the same thing. Every day the same thing they talk. And I don't know story. And you me I talk about now, and you are the fresh story out there. I don't care what you want to say, curly, what are TT, what are
very lucrative.
And you are the fresh story. Everybody know what TT and curly and Lolo have been saying all the months and all the years. And you are the fresh story. So you not going to distract me.
No
you
distraction.
Can't distract the rest of them because they're vulnerable. Me not so vulnerable.
My wife.
You know, like, because you never use your fish net with your throat. You never catch me. Me never name that bait yet. That's why you don't like me.
Like and share, girls. Like and share.
And me I say, you're wrong from all levels. Over $1 million.
I'm more than that. Up to 8 now.
Say, the woman taking charity money and buy car, the man. We see a man over here in our background sometime.
When I hear Tori? Pause before I listen. You see, Gracie, one thing I will always respect about Gracie did our research. She tell us the girl got Portland go research Erica. When Gracie got Jamaica, I saw her see her. I tell her next to the Portland sign. That's the Portland sign. That was when she got Portland go research Erica. Because she wanted to know how deep our hands got, how is she using these people to cause remember that a long time, West even a long time. So Gracie went to Portland for a dig up Pamporti. As something start come out. And I'm not gonna hear about it now. Wanna listen and listen good to her. And remember telling if you don't want to go and give her on the money, do so. We don't care. But give her on the money because when there's a set of fucking idiot too. Alright. Talk Gracie.
I don't know about them stay on Christmas sometime. Buy car and give them Monday. And them run road, but them stay on Christmas, man. The year when time she did get man and curly, you get man. They see them Christmas, man, the way two of them be fine. Two of them be fine. Christmas, man, the same year. Him, she take the money and buy car him. And him take the car and run robot. Take the charity money. A long time, you hear me tell the woman, say, if you could have taken charity money and buy a car, you're not supposed to come out here, come beg food for charity. The car when buy, supposed to car run per road and make the charity food money. A long time I said that. You hear woman say you can't, you don't understand every time. She said money come here today. And tomorrow he call back and tell the woman say.
Nah, the money.
Tomorrow
that's
he
how
come
she stay.
back and say. You don't know how he might cook and she don't understand how she.
That was her tactics.
Money to cook for charity money what she collect for her the day before. And the next day he might tell the woman say, he might tell the people never lie, say you don't know how he might cook. Then that's not something to talk about. That is not something to talk about.
Anything she wants to do, we don't really care. We are dragged down. She need to be go to. She never got a workhouse.
Tomorrow me talking more about it. I dive in a store and I get some more local loophole. People who want advice,